What's good, Crown Angels? It's your Queen Coriel.
King Kai in the building. What's happening?
It's snowing. I said snowing. It's snowing outside, you guys.
Snowing again.
Again, except this time we really got some snow. You feel me?
Snow.
You feel me? Texas haven't seen snow. What they said? How many years? 11 years. So you guys are gonna take y'all on a ride with us. Y'all ready? Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, it's cold. So you guys, there's the snow. We only gonna mess up our part of the snow because it's so pretty.
I'm going up.
Oh shoot! Yo, okay. So you guys, this is what the ground looks like. Go fill up real quick. Oh, be careful. Okay. Okay, you guys. So it's pretty cold. We look really crazy. We're matching. Yeah, it's cold out here.
It's too cold, man. It's real cold.
You know. Okay, we're walking. I'm walking in the grass because the concrete got ice on it. See?
This is super dry from the
super dry. I'm gonna just give y'all a little twirl. Woo.
We're gonna make a little video.
Chilly.
We're gonna make a little video on that.
All right, y'all. Video. Stay tuned for the rest of our video. You ready, babe? Let's go in. It's cold, man. Hey. Okay, you guys. So, it's really cold out there. Y'all, so bundle up. Bundle up. Very cold. Happy Valentine's Day, baby.
Oh, happy Valentine's Day.
You guys, I hope you guys have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Our Valentine's Day will be spent mostly in the house. We'll be going back outside from time to time to check on how much snow we get. And I think we got a ruler, so maybe we can even measure it for you guys because it's supposed to be getting up to, 6 where we at right now, but 8 to 10 inches of snow in Texas. So you guys, we're gonna go ahead and take y'all with us. Enjoy the Valentine's Day vibe right here. I got the red and the pink, going on. He got icicles hanging from his car. Yeah. Okay, you guys, and I'm going to be going back and forth because Kai is working in the studio today. So you guys, we went outside, but it feels like it's negative like 4 degrees outside. So we came back in really quick. My hands got frostbite really quick. So I need to find my gloves and then we can go back out there. But it also messed up the microphone, so it sounds really muffled. But you guys, I'm gonna get y'all the best footage I can, so enjoy the rest of the video. Guys, that's the street. Nobody has drove on it. Nobody's drove on it at all. So the stairs are covered. It's starting to come down hard. I'm about to head in because it's really cold, but it's very pretty snowflakes. Very pretty snowflakes.